Guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about the importance of to-do list that you got to follow in order to grow your business. So because this is very important, I'm going to talk about the importance of it and how you can go ahead and actually create one for your business that can actually solve many problems for you. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also be sure to check the first link in the description. That is program created by my mentor that is actually going to help you get started with your online business in the right direction. And coming back to today's topic, this to-do list or the things that you're gonna do on a particular day it's a very powerful list. That's why I call it as a power list. And by implementing this, you will see massive results in your business. So I have spoken about this a lot of times in my previous videos, where I talk about momentum. Momentum is the very important key while building your business, be it in your personal life or anything. If let's say if you're building your body, or if you're learning some different foreign language, you want to be consistent for a particular period of time. Once you're consistent, once you're disciplined on that particular time, you will see massive results. And you don't want to lose out on the momentum, because you don't want to lose on the days you don't want to take action. You don't want to lose such days. In order to make this thing happen, the to-do list or the power list, it is very important. Because in your with respect to online business, what to-do list can do is it can increase the number of leads for you, it can increase the number of your content going out to people, it can increase the number of sales. So basically it is going to generate more revenue to you. So there is no bad thing in implementing this, if it can generate leads to you, or it can generate money to you. So number one step is before you actually go ahead and go about I'm just going to talk about in terms of your online business here in this video. So if before you actually go ahead and create a to-do list, you got to come up with a product. You need to be crystal clear what you're going to promote, whether be it your own product or a service or somebody's product that is you're promoting as an affiliate. And another one is you want to choose in terms of affiliate or your own product, I highly recommend you choose recurring kind, either recurring or high ticket, or both are the best, because you don't want to put on too much effort on selling the low ticket products. So this is number one. And next thing is you want to decide on your conversion process. So what I meant by conversion process, it's a very simple thing. You got to decide how you're going to bring the people who are watching your content, or you're placing the ad coming to your process. Conversion process as in you're bringing large amount of people at the top, only few gets converted at the bottom. So this is the sales process that you want to decide. You can directly send people to your offer page, or you can send through a more automated system a bridge page. You collect the lead, then send them to offer page, and you at the back end you're gonna keep on sending emails to them. So this is another process. You want to decide a core product that you're gonna promote, and the next one is you're gonna be sure on your conversion process. And one more thing you gotta choose is you're gonna pick up a platform where you're producing content or talking to people. So conversion process, there are multiple ways where you can do this. Number one is you can use Facebook organic. You optimize your profile, you talk to different people, you add people to your group, you go ahead and talk to different people on a daily basis. If you're doing more of automated, if you're producing content on a blog, or if you're producing content on YouTube, Instagram, be it anywhere, you got to be choosing these things core product, conversion process, and your platform. So these three things define your to-do list. And once you start focusing on that to-do list for a particular amount of time, you're gonna see massive results, and you're gonna gain that magical momentum in your business. So once you choose your product, once you choose your conversion process, and once you pick up a platform, now you gotta come up and sit down and write down the things that are required to do on a daily basis. I'm gonna consider YouTube here, because I mainly do this, because even I talk to people on Facebook. So YouTube, what happens is once you on YouTube, what I do is on a daily basis is so I come up with a list. So what I do is I write down what content I should create for the next day, the keyword or the content planning. So I do it in the previous day. So once I write it down, and then next task is like I got to add the cards, I got to like I got to add the description, and I got to optimize that particular video basically. So I narrow it down, I write down that list, and I have many people I work with closely, so I got to talk to them if they're facing any issues. So that is one more step. And so like creating a video, that is I'm producing content, and sometimes I run Google ads, so I got to check on my ads. So these are simple steps I have jotted down on a piece of paper or in your notepad. So and I go ahead and start doing it. Like right now, like once I started implementing this, I was able to produce one video per day. That was my goal when I started off with this channel. Now I'm able to achieve that. Like right now I'm consistently doing like 50-second day. I think it's consistently I'm uploading every single day, every single video every single day. So these videos may not bring the revenue right now today, but these videos are stacking up on the internet, and people are gonna see it in even after years. So these videos are still gonna work for them. So this is the importance of creating that massive momentum in your business. So creating a to-do list totally depends on the three factors which I spoke about initially. I just gave an example of YouTube, and if you're doing Facebook organic, like how to optimize, like see what people are reacting to your post, what content you're producing, go on a call with the people. So these are simple things, because what happens with people is like they want to get started with online, and they get excited, they go to a job. Even I do my job, so and they go to job, after they come back they will spend some time, and then okay, I got to work on my business. So they open their laptop, but they have no idea what to do. Like they try to figure out like what they need to do. They start making their list that time, and there are a lot of distractions online. So once they get distracted, like they start consuming too much information, and they avoid like they get distracted and they don't do that particular task that was supposed to be done on that particular day. Similarly, the same thing happens with the next day, and the days goes along. Once as gap is too much, like they don't want to come back again. So this is what happens. So you don't want to break that momentum. In order to gain that momentum, you got to work on your list. Before that, you got to choose those product, conversion process and platform, and accordingly make your list, stick it somewhere like where you can see it all the time. And once you start following that on a daily basis for a consistently, at least for a year, trust me, you will see massive results in your business. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you are serious enough to get started with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description, like where it can guide you to the right direction, like what products to promote, both high ticket and recurring commission programs, how to set up sales funnel, ad copies, free traffic strategies, paid traffic strategies. Everything is covered in that module, which is created by my mentor. So this is what changed my life, so I'm sure like it will change yours as well. So be sure to check it out, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.